Next, if the first order rate constant for the decomposition of ethyl iodide at 600 Kelvin and 700 Kelvin are 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 second inverse and 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 second inverse respectively. The activation energy for the reaction in kilojoules per mole is. And here formula is log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T into T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. Okay. So here given data K1 value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. K2 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 second inverse. And we have to calculate EA. R value in joules is 8.314 in kilojoules by 1000. T1 is 600 Kelvin. So given in Kelvin temperature only. And T2 is 700 Kelvin. Okay. So substitute this data, all this data. So first log K2, what is K2? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by K1 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 by 1000 into 700 minus 600 by 600 into 700. Okay. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So this is equal to 10. Okay. So log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1. Okay. So total this value becomes equal to 1. Okay. 1 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 8.314 by 1000 into 100 by 600 into 700. From this, we can calculate EA, okay, as 8.4. So, EA is the correct option. 80.4. Okay. So activation energy is 80.4. Okay, ma? Next. The rate of a reaction becomes 2 times for every 10 degrees centigrade rise in temperature. How many times the rate of reaction will increase when temperature increased from 30 degrees to 80 degrees? Okay. So you know that for every 10 degrees rise of temperature, rate of reaction becomes double. Rate of reaction becomes double. Okay. So 30 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade. So 30 to 40. Okay. So rate of reaction becomes 2. Okay. 40 to 50. Rate of reaction becomes 4. Okay. 50 to 60, rate of reaction becomes 8. Okay. 60 to 70, rate of reaction becomes 16. And 70 to 80, rate of reaction becomes 32. Okay. So 30 to 42, 40 to 50 degrees 4, 50 to 60 degrees 8, 60 to 70 degrees 16, and 70 to 80 it is equal to 32. Okay. Next 10th one. At 300 Kelvin rate constant of A2 products. Okay. At T which is equal to 50 minutes is 0.02 second inverse. Okay. So at 300 Kelvin rate constant of this reaction at T is equal to 50 minutes is 0.02 second inverse. Then rate constant at T is equal to 75 minutes and temperature 310 kelvins will be. Okay. So you know that for every 10 degrees centigrade rise of temperature, rate becomes double. Okay. So at 300 Kelvin, what is rate? 0.02. Okay. Then at 310, so 10 degrees rise in temperature. So this rate becomes double. So it becomes 0.04. Okay. So option C is correct. 0.04. Next, for a reaction X to Y, K T degrees plus 10 degrees by KT degrees is equal to 3. Okay. Here temperature coefficient is 3. Okay. So KT degree centigrade plus 10 degrees centigrade by KT degree centigrade, that is equal to 3. If the rate constant at 300 Kelvin is Q, minutes inverse, at what temperature rate constant becomes 9Q, minutes inverse. So here KT degree centigrade plus 10 degrees by KT degrees is equal to 3. So this temperature here 300 Kelvin. Okay. So we can write this as K 300 plus 10 by K 300, that is equal to 3. Okay. So here at a 300 Kelvin temperature, rate constant is Q. Okay. So K 300 is equal to Q. Okay. So we can write K 310 by Q is equal to 3. And K 310 is equal to 3Q. Okay. Then if you rise temperature to next 10 degrees centigrade, so we can write K 310 plus 10 by K 310 is equal to 3. Okay. So here what is K 310? 3Q. Okay. So K 320 by 3Q is equal to 3. Okay. And K 320 is equal to 9Q. So at 320 Kelvin temperature, rate becomes 9Q, minutes inverse. So here options are given in degree centigrade and Kelvin, but 320 Kelvin option is not there. Okay. So here 47 degrees centigrade means 320 minus 273 Kelvin. Okay. So 320 minus 273 Kelvin, that is equal to 47 degrees centigrade. So this is the correct option, 47 degrees centigrade. Okay. Next, the rate constant of a first order reaction at 27 degrees centigrade is 10 to the power minus 3 minutes inverse. The temperature coefficient of this reaction is 2. What is the rate constant in minutes inverse at 17 degrees centigrade for this reaction? You know that mu is equal to KT degrees plus 10 degrees by KT degrees. Okay. Here data is given. Mu is given as 2 and KT degrees plus 10 degrees is equal to 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Then you have to calculate KT degrees now. Okay. Why? Because what is temperature given here? 17 degrees centigrade. So KT degrees centigrade is 17 degrees centigrade. KT degrees plus 10 degrees means 17 plus 10. So 27. So at 27 degrees centigrade, here rate constant is given 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So from this, KT degree centigrade is equal to KT degree centigrade by 10 degrees by mu. So here 10 to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. But here 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 is not there. So that's why we can write 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the correct one.